and welcome to this channel all about manifesting a life you love and manifesting money. And if you can, I'd love your support. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos, and that would be great. I would love you to support my channel. It would be amazing. So today I'm hopping on and extending on another video I did, which was what is manifesting. And so I wanted to sort of elaborate on that a little bit for you and give you a little bit more information. And so what manifesting is, it's all about manifesting what you once thought in your mind into the physical reality. So you think it in your mind and you bring it into the physical reality in front of you. That's what manifesting is. Because you are the creator and you've just got to think about what it is you want to manifest, right? And then bring it into your reality. You see, everything in your world once was a thought, and out there is literally thought projected that you are now seeing mirrored back to you. It's super powerful. You know, so that's why I talk about using like visualization, taking time out to work out what you want and things like that, because you are a conscious creator. You were born to manifest. That's what your body is designed to do. You have an imagination. Imagination creates. Think about everything in your world. It was once a thought. Someone thought about something like, you know, even a car. Someone thought about, okay, how can we get from one place to another? And someone came up with a car and then manifested it into the physical reality. So it's now in front of us, and most of us have them now, you know. It's with anything. A house is first created in someone's mind. They think, I want 3 bedrooms, built-in robes, 2 bathrooms, the kitchen facing this way, that way, and they design it, usually on paper. Well, it comes from the thought first, then on paper, right? And then it is created in the physical world. Same with a mobile phone, right? Same thing. Think about how can we contact people, you know, all the time. Mobile phone. They created the mobile phone. Chairs, tables, furniture. It's all started in here. Even the light bulb, right? You get what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments. Is this resonating? Do you know what I'm saying here? I mean, this is powerful stuff. You are the creator. So you need to take time out to think about what it is you want to see in your physical reality. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. So basically what you're seeing out there is what you thought in your mind and you've manifested it. That's what it is. And you know, this is also backed up by science as well. So it's not just, you know, oh yeah, we manifest things and things come from out there, from our head out to there. It's actually, you know, it's all scientific based. And what I've just explained to you makes sense, doesn't it? That everything around you did start in the mind. And it was thought created first, and then you saw it in the physical reality. How does that make you feel knowing that you are in the driver's seat of your life and that you just need to get clear on what you want and then start visualizing it, thinking about it, you know, focusing on it, and you will create it. Whatever it is, you will create it. I hope that's helped you understand a little bit deeper. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Just pop them in the comments below. I'd love to answer them. And if you're new to manifestation, let me know as well. There's so much to learn, and there's so much on this channel that will help you to manifest a life you love, learn how to do it, and also how to manifest money, all the things for you to live your most amazing life. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.